Can you do it again?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Okay, let's count them one more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. There are lots of boats out there. Look at Mommy. Can you say hi, Yaya? Hi, Papu?
Hi, Yaya.
Hi, Papu.
Hi, Papu?
Hi, Yaya.
Can you say hi, Papu?
No.
Can you say
Hi.
Can you say hi, Grandma?
No.
Can you say hi, Granddad?
No.
You can't say all that?